Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. But today we are here at A&A Truck and Off-Road in Dallas, PA, and we do have the 4th Gen Ram out with us today because I want to open it up a little bit, get it to breathe a little bit better, and maybe give us a little bit more performance. But we're going to go in and check out to see what type of muffler systems they have. So let's go in there and see what they have. Well, guys, we're here at the counter and we are here with Josh. Josh is going to help us pick out the right muffler for the 4th Gen Ram Hemi. So Josh, I'm looking for a muffler to open it up a little bit more. What, do you have anything in mind, or do you think you guys could come up with something for me?
I certainly can.
All right. All right, it's a 2012 Ram
1500?
1500 5.7 Hemi.
I think I got the one for you.
All right. Well, guys, while he's in the back getting us the right muffler for the Ram Hemi, but if you're new to the channel, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll see all you guys back at the shop. We made it back to the shop, and what shop are we at? Is it mine? We are here at A&A Auto Stores, Apple Hill location, here in Muncie, PA. We picked up the muffler from the Dallas store. We came out here to the Muncie location to have them install the muffler. But if you guys don't know Apple Hill 4x4 location, they are a complete one-stop shop. From doing trucks, cars, anything you need, from doing some major repairs on vehicles, all the way down to just brakes and oil, shocks and stuff like that. Come out, check these guys out. But we are here and they are going to install the muffler for me. But I never showed you guys what muffler I ended up going with. We ended up going with the Flowmaster Direct Fit Outlaw Series muffler for the 5.7 Hemi. And we talked with Josh at the Dallas location, wanted to open it up a little bit, but wanted to keep it in a reasonable budget here. So we came up with this muffler system by Flowmaster, and I'm going to go in and touch base with Matt and get things set up. But first, let's do a sound check of what the truck sounds like before we install the Flowmaster Outlaw Series muffler. Guys, we got the truck in the shop and we got Tiny here setting it up, getting ready to go up on the lift, but we got the muffler here laying on the ground. So let me do a little unboxing for you and show you what this Flowmaster Direct Fit looks like. So this is how your muffler will come. Let me get this. You get 3 new banding clamps, and when you go to mount these, you just got to remember to put the bigger clamp up front. Few stickers and a little instructions here. And here is the muffler that we'll be putting on. And And as you can see that this is the direct fit. It has the black powder coating protectant on here to last a little bit longer, and it already has the hangers on it. So we got the truck going up in the air. We're gonna get things set up and I'll show you what clamps that has to come off. As you guys can see, here's two of the clamps that need to come off, and Tiny's setting it up to cut it with the acetylene torch. And there is also one up front on the other side. Here's the other clamp that needs to be cut off. So we're getting Tiny set up there with that acetylene torch, and he's going to be doing some cutting. Yeah, this is why I come out here to Apple Hill, because they're very knowledgeable what they're doing. They have all the right stuff. So if you guys have anything that needs to be done, give these guys a call, check them out. So let's check out Tiny cutting this off. Well, that's 2 down, 1 to go. All right, guys, that's the third bolt that he's gonna melt off there. Yeah, I also just want to bring out one point, that when you guys are doing this at home, make sure you lube all of these bushings up here. That way when you are doing it yourself, so when you go to drop the tailpipes or the muffler, that way everything comes out a little bit easier and slides out smoother. All right, guys, we got the the tailpipes off, and now we're going to be working on getting the front done. Once again, don't forget to lube all your bushings up there. Alright y'all, we got the muffler out and it is now on the ground, so let me compare the two mufflers and put them side by side each other, and I'll be right back. Well everybody, here's the two mufflers side by side one another. Here's the stock muffler, and here's the aftermarket Flowmaster Direct Fit Outlaw Series muffler. And I'll tell you what, by putting this muffler on alone, I could do that. It's going to make it a lot faster because we just lost about 500 pounds off this stop thing and open it up a little bit more, so that's what we're hoping there. And this one's a lot heavier, so we did do a lot of weight reduction on this to make this truck a lot faster. So we're gonna get back underneath there, and as you can see, big difference in size. So we're gonna get back underneath there and get this one installed. The muffler is all now been installed on the 4th gen. We got it back down on the ground, so let's fire it up and give it a little sound test of what it sounds like here inside the shop, and then we'll go outside the shop and put the truck back to where it was, and we'll do another little sound check out there, so this way you guys could get firsthand the before and after, and I'll put that clip back in there again in front of it. The truck is now outside the shop, so let's do a little sound check of what the new muffler sounds like in the same location where we started the video at. comments and tell me what you guys think. I think it sounds 100% better putting this direct fit Flowmaster Outlaw Series muffler on the truck. I think we might have gained another 50 horsepower. I'm just kidding there. But you've seen the difference there in the size of the muffler and the weight of it alone. I'd like to thank Matt and Tiny and Paul here at the A&A Auto Store's Apple Hill location here in Muncie, PA for setting us up and getting this muffler installed. But if you're new to the channel, once again, hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up. You don't want to miss out on some of the content I got coming up here. Who knows what we got planned next for the 4th gen, but we got some more stuff with the 2nd gen coming up, and we're going to be getting into some more Jeep stuff. So I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll, and I'll see all you guys in the next video.